Studies have shown that small amounts of animal products can actually benefit the gut microbiome, things like cheese, eggs, little bits of meat, etc., but only a couple times a week. If you go beyond that, they've shown that it can actually negatively impact the gut microbiome. So if you're consuming animal products 2-3 times a day, guess what? It's distorting your gut microbiome. It's causing an increase of production of inflammatory bacteria in the gut. It's causing a shift in the ability to break down fibers. It's causing a shift in your overall immune health, whether you realize it or not. And the problem is too many animal products leads to a buildup of cholesterol in the arteries, buildup of fat in the liver, gallstones, poor oxygenation of the blood, acidity in the body, etc. So all these things eventually feed into illness. So if you want to be able to eat animal products, just do it a few times a week. That's what I feel is the best. It's what I found is the best for me. I may have colostrum, I may have eggs, I may have some cheese, something like that. I typically don't do the meat thing, but the reality is little bits of these animal products can actually increase the diversity in your gut microbiome and help you have a stronger immune system. But if you're doing them every day consistently over and over and over again, then it's going to change your gut. It's going to make it more inflamed. You're going to have more issues. You're going to have more constipation. You're going to have more chronic illness symptoms eventually. And the reality is carnivore can help some people temporarily, but it's never a solution. It only helps people improve because they're removing dairy, eggs, nuts, seeds, gluten, all the wrong foods, etc. So if you're thinking about, changing your diet and you want to go ahead and make some improvements, don't eliminate animal products entirely, okay? If you want to eliminate them temporarily for a period of a couple months and then reintroduce them to figure out what amount of them is going to be beneficial, but you don't want to eliminate them entirely because in fact they help your gut microbiome balance out to some degree. If you have the right types of animal products, you have the right amount, you're not overdoing it, it's only 2-3 times a week in small amounts, these things can help. But if you're really, you're trying to improve your health, ideally you want to cut back on the animal products temporarily. Once you get your health back to normal, then you can start adding them back in because you need them for brain function, you need them for energy, you need them to diversify your gut microbiome, improve your immune health, hormone health, stamina, all that recovery, etc. Zinc, B12, there's other things that are in the animal products that can help you. So I want to make it real clear. I've done a lot of videos about plant-based and I want to talk about the reality that diversity is key and having small amounts of animal products can help you, but doing it on a daily basis in large amounts will distort the gut microbiome. It'll cause you to have disrupted breakdown of these other plants, these fibers, and you will have more problems in the long run chronically. And this is what I've experienced myself. If you have any questions, reach out to me. My website is endsickness.org. I got hundreds of articles, hundreds of videos on there teaching you how to heal yourself out here in nature, and mostly about chronic illnesses like mast cell activation, histamine intolerance, autoimmune disease, things like that. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you again at a future video. Take care.